everyone, welcome back to another lab solution of Arcade Program January, in which we will be solving Cloud Storage Quick Start Cloud Console lab of level 1. First, we will start the lab and open it in an incognito window. Click on I understand, and then you have to click on I agree and then agree and continue. Now for the next, you have to go on to the task 1, in which you have to create a bucket and we have to enter our project ID as a bucket name. So we'll come here and we will search bucket. Now we will click here to create a bucket. As we are told to use our project ID for creating the bucket, we'll first see all the bucket naming rules. Alright, so you can copy your project ID and click here and then add a dash and then bucket. You can add anything, just don't violate any rules. Next, you have to choose a region, and we are given to choose US Central one for location. Here we are given that we have to choose standard for storage class. So we will come here, continue, and it is already selected as standard for default. Now we have to choose uniform for access control, continue, and it is already selected uniform. Next, it says we have to uncheck the enforce public access prevention. We have to uncheck this and choose how to control access to objects. Next, we have to create the bucket. As the bucket has been created, we will click the check my progress and we have got the score. Next, we have to click on true, though it won't count in the lab, but it will help you in learning. Now we have to save this image as kitten.png. So click and save image as kitten.p. Okay, png is already there, just save it as kitten. Next, we have to upload it. We have to upload. Alright, so as it was not showing up before, so I downloaded it again and replaced it. Next, let's check our progress after uploading it, and it has been completed. Now, for the task 3, you have to grant access. So, click on permissions, then click on grant access. In new principal box, we have to enter all users. So we will copy this and we have to give them storage object viewer role. Okay, so we will select all users here and then select storage object viewer and we have to save it. Click allow public access. Now let's check our progress and it has been completed. And the lab has been completed. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you. You can end the lab.